Okay, so before the explanation, I would like to give a disclaimer, which is when you do Verbose Windows Update, it will definitely slow down the Windows Update process, as the CBS.log has lots of lines written a second. In some cases, it can be thousands of lines a second, and it's just a very large log file, and I'm sure with this time lapse, it went super quick, and even without a time lapse, you can't even read it, it's so fast. So, that's just my disclaimer. Anyways, let's move on. So, how I originally found out about this was sometime back in 2023. I don't remember the exact context, but I think a friend told me about it back then. I don't remember why. I think for like troubleshooting methods, if I remember, because I think I had issues with the computer updating, and this allows you to see in real time what's going on. You could also right click in the middle of it and it does freeze it, so like if you want to read something, you can. And it's a very good troubleshooting thing. So we'll get into the use cases. So maybe you just want to see the progress of an update. You're just curious and you just want to watch it update. I mean, there's nothing wrong with that. Yeah, it'll slow it down, but I mean, it's interesting. Or if an update's having issues, you can see where it fails. Like if you pause the video when you're watching my video, because I did like slow it down so that way you guys could see it fail. Like I stopped the time lapse part in that part, but you guys saw it failed and then it initiated what's called an auto corruption repair. So what happens during an auto corruption repair? I'm pretty sure it's just doing the dism/online/cleanup-image/restore health, which restores the health of the Windows component store, which is very important for Windows updates to have a healthy component store, because if you don't and it fails, it will immediately try to repair it, which is why it's good to have Verbose Windows Update, because you can tell when it's repairing, you can tell when it's done, so that you can retry the update and it'll be all good. Anyways, that brings on with the post attempt, the one you're seeing now, where I was actually able to show the CBS log, which is because I did this command from another computer, which allowed me to see the CBS log of the remote computer, and from there, I was able to show the log. Obviously, it had to reconnect after it rebooted, it was a bit janky, it didn't scroll down, but that's perfectly okay. So, okay, anyways, that will do it for Verbose Windows Update. Thanks for watching. I bet it was interesting seeing that CBS.log go while the update was going and how many lines there were, which, by the way, if you guys are curious, CBS stands for Component-Based Servicing, and it's very important for servicing Windows, updating it, etc. So that log has a lot of stuff written to it. Even when you're not doing anything, it writes things to the log. Because I notice it'll be like evaluating package, blah, blah, blah. It'll just spam that in the log like throughout the day. Like, I don't know why it does that, but I guess it has to like validate stuff. I don't know. If you guys know, let me know in the comments below. But anyways, that will do it. So thanks for watching. If you guys ever use Verbose Windows Update, feel free to leave a comment below. There's actually going to be new updates coming out when this video goes public for everyone, because Patch Tuesday is on the second Tuesday of every month. So maybe you guys will get to try out Verbose Windows Update for yourselves, because there might just be an update right now as you're watching this video. So hopefully you enjoy. Also thanks to my channel members, which are Samira Yoshizawa, The Full Moon, Christian1739, Overgreen, Strawtech8, Side Vlogs, DJ1I28, Dencorn, Cyclone, The Metal Shard, Glob, Star, Aqua, Chris Garrett, Cornflare, Sax Tech Plays, along with everyone else here on this list. I really appreciate your guys' support and me making my videos. So yeah, thanks for watching, have a good one, bye bye for now.